Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you have encountered Task Manager has been disabled by the administrator message, then watch this video to fix it. Now the first thing is, if you are running the system on, or if you're connected to the network, a public network like at your workplace or in a library or at a school, where you have a system administrator controlling your access to certain apps or certain processes, then it could probably be that the system administrator has disabled your access to the task manager. In that case, you need to contact the system administrator and get permission from the system administrator for whatever purpose you're using the task manager for. If that's not the case, if you're the administrator of the system and you're getting this message, then you need to disable the task manager and restart the computer. So for that, we'll need to go to command prompt, right click on it, click on run as administrator, and then we will enter this command, right? And we will press enter. We'll copy and paste this command here. You will find this command in the description of this video. So press enter and then you can access task manager. If you can't, then you need to move to a permanent fix. This is a temporary fix, so you need to do this every time you face a problem with the task manager being disabled by the admin. But if you want permanent fix, then you have to do something in the registry editor. You have to make some edits. So we'll look for registry editor, run as administrator, and we will copy this path here. This path you will find in the description of this video. Copy it and then we'll paste it here. Right, as so, and then we will get system here. So let me take you across all the folders so that you do not get confused. H key current user, software, expand it, then expand Microsoft, expand Windows, and then expand current version. Look for policies, expand policies, and then go to system. If there is no system key here, then you need to right click on this, click on new key, and then you need to name that folder as system. Now once you're in system, look for the dword 32-bit, that is task disable task manager. If it's not there, you need to create the dword 32-bit. So right click on the right pane, click on new dword 32-bit value. All right, and you need to name it disable ts task manager. So D should be capital, T should be capital, MGR should be capital, M should be capital, sorry. Right click on it, copy, and then we will right click on this, rename, and we will rename this disable task MGR. Right click on it, click on modify, and make sure the value is set as 0. Once that is done, we will click on the start button, click on the power button, and click on restart. And now you should not get the message that task manager has been disabled by the admin, provided that you are running the computer and you're the administrator yourself and there is no separate system administrator who has denied your access to the task manager. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.